Your Zoho CRM attachments are important. Protect every file automatically.
Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to configure the module settings in Easy Attachment Backup for Zoho CRM. Module settings determine which CRM module you want to back up, which cloud storage platform should receive the attachments, and where those files should be stored. Before you begin, make sure that Zoho CRM and at least one cloud storage platform are authenticated. Once the authentication is complete, open the Module Settings tab. I am now in the Module Settings tab, and you can see that I have already created a setting for the Deals module. Now I will create a new setting for the Contacts module. Click on Create Setting. First, you need to choose the backup platform. There are currently two backup platforms available. You can choose either Zoho WorkDrive or Microsoft SharePoint. For this example, I will select Zoho WorkDrive. Next, you need to select the Zoho CRM module. You can select any supported standard or custom module from this list. For this example, I will select the Contacts module. Now you need to select the field where the WorkDrive Folder ID will be stored. If this field is left empty in a CRM record, the extension will automatically create a new folder under the selected root folder. I have already created a field named WorkDrive Folder ID in my Contacts module, so I will select that field. Next, we need to select the root folder. Click here to select the folder. First, select the WorkDrive workspace. I will select my workspace. Then, select the team folder. I will select this team folder. Now you need to select the folder where the contact attachments will be backed up. If the required folder is not available, you can create a new folder directly from here. For this example, I already have a folder for the Contacts module, so I will select this folder and click Select Folder. Now, our module setting is almost complete. Here, you can see an important message. It says that contact attachments will be saved in the record folder when the folder ID exists in the WorkDrive Folder ID field. Otherwise, a new folder will be created for each record using the folder structure shown below. So, if the WorkDrive Folder ID is not available in a contact record, the extension will automatically create the required folder using this structure. Our setting is now complete. The Contacts module setting has been created successfully. Now, let's test whether the configuration is working correctly. I am now in the Contacts module. I will create a new contact record. For the last name, I will enter Demo Contact. Then I will click Save. The contact record has been created successfully. Now I will upload an attachment to this record. Click on the plus button in the Attachments section. Then click Upload File. I will select a file named Download PNG. Then I will click Open. After the file has been uploaded, click Attach. The attachment has been uploaded successfully to the contact record. Now, let's check whether the corresponding folder has been created in Zoho WorkDrive. This is the Contacts folder in WorkDrive. I will open it and refresh the page. Now you can see that a new folder named Demo Contact has been created successfully. If I open this folder, you can see that the Download PNG file has also been backed up successfully. This confirms that our module setting is working correctly. In the same way, you can create settings for the Contacts module, Deals module, or any other supported standard module. You can also create module settings for your custom modules. In this example, I showed you how to configure the setting using Zoho WorkDrive. You can also select Microsoft SharePoint as the backup platform and configure it in a similar way. This is how you can configure module settings in Easy Attachment Backup for Zoho CRM.